Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and my trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us. And yesterday, gold proved again that gold is not for weak-hearted. Gold is not for heart patients at all because gold can give you a heart attack. Yesterday during the US session, there was crazy amount of volatility. Market formed this candle at one point. At one point, we all believe that gold is about to hit 3400, but suddenly there was a price rejection around 337576 area, and there was a sudden drop. Both buyers and sellers were hunted down by gold. Okay. And what was the reason? The reason was this is the chart of DXY, and there was a drop on the chart of DXY. If you're wondering what was the reason, okay, why it happened, and the reason was, you can see dollar was fragile footing on Thursday, having lost overnight as concerns. US President Donald Trump was preparing to fire the Federal Reserve Chairman, show confidence in US market. Trump denied reports he was planning to dismiss Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell. So initially there was news that Trump was about to fire Federal Reserve Chairman, so the market or dollar dropped. But when Trump denied the report, okay, it recovered again. So crazy. Okay, anyways, before we talk about the levels, okay, let me give you a disclaimer, confession that today I'm not going to trade on gold because I am not at all happy and convinced with the chart. So be careful because this chart is not ideal for traders who are looking for reliable trades. You can clearly see that gold, okay, is really bad. So be careful. If you're in love with gold, then only trade. Otherwise, if you're looking for reliable trading opportunities, then okay, look for opportunities outside gold. It will be better and safer for you. And my friends, if you're also looking for a reliable forex trading broker, because there is an issue going on with access in India right now, and obviously, okay, you must be very worried. So if you're looking for a reliable forex trading broker with top-notch security, you can consider opening your account in Star Trader. Star Trader is better regulated and also provides compensation up to 20,000 euros, and they also have an insurance up to $1 million. So my dear friend, if you're looking for a safe broker with low spread, then Star Trader can be the best option. And the best part is that the spread on gold on a standard account is only 17 to 18. And if you're from India, agar aap India se ho, you also get a swap free account, lifetime swap free account. Okay. Others, the swap free will be for 14 days. So feel free to open your account in Star Trader, and if you open your account in Star Trader using my referral link, then I will also add you to my WhatsApp community as well. So please join. And now let's talk about the chart of gold. So as we all know, my dear friend, that the chart of gold is choppy. If you look at a daily chart, we get a better picture. Market was bullish, and right now we can clearly see that overall the trend of the market may be bullish, but the current candles are speaking a different story. Market is totally flat. We do not have a direction. So in simple words, gold is looking for a direction right now. The direction will only come if gold breaks 3400 on the upside. Or to continue the upside, gold needs to go above 3400. Then only the market will be bullish again. But right now, gold is unable to cross 3375 area. So 3375 is causing a lot of trouble. It is acting as a very strong resistance. But one thing that you need to focus here is that market has already tested 3375 3 to 4 times already. It means that liquidity is there. And as we all know, market doesn't like common things. So in the next attempt, there is a high chance that market will either go for stop loss hunting or market will break the level and head towards 3400. So what to do here? Okay, so I think, okay, it will be better and safer for us to go for a buy above 3375 if you see the market is going for a breakout after consolidation. Means yesterday, for example, when the move started from here, okay, so it was kind of unreliable because whenever you get a breakout without consolidation, there's a high chance that it will fail. So this time, if you see that market is going for a breakout, just observe, okay, whether market has gone for consolidation or not. If you see that market consolidated for a while, and then market has gone for a breakout, then you can go for a buy above 3375. If you see that market has gone for a breakout without consolidation, there's a high chance that it will be a stop loss hunting only. Okay, and already market tested it a couple of times, so it is a risky level. Okay, you can see I have also drawn a level around 3357. So remember yesterday we discussed about the resistance of 3357. So when this spike came, it did not work. Obviously, it was not possible. But later on, okay, the level worked nicely. So next time or today, during the day, if you see market is going above 3357, you can look for a small buy of 40 pips. Okay, do not expect much, because you have seen on the daily chart that market is not very good. So you can buy above 3375 if market shows consolidation. Okay, if you see that market is going up without consolidation, then it may be a liquidity sweep as well. And during the day, if market breaks 3357, okay, we can look for a buy. Okay, but it is also risky. As I said at the beginning of the video, we do not have any reliable trades on the chart right now. Okay, maybe you're upset because you love to trade on gold, but you need to accept the fact as well. And if market goes down, then remember the support levels from yesterday. Yes, 3296, then 330708. Okay, these levels are still very much valid. Okay, we are considering these as support levels because the previous resistance will be working as support. So if market takes support around these two areas, we can look for a buy position. Remember, we also discussed that in case market crashes, because gold has been very volatile, okay, then 338583 will be the support zone. Okay, 3385, this is the support, ultimate support zone. But if market remains choppy like this, then chances are very less that market will come to 3285 area. Okay, on that scenario we can look for support on 3307, 3296 area. Okay, and yesterday, okay, market took support around 3320 again. So today, same scene. Okay, there's a high chance that market may go for SL hunting or liquidity sweep around this area as well. So during the day, if you see the market is going for a breakdown, observe from where the move has started. If you see that the move has started from here, from 334050, then there is a high chance that the breakdown will fail. But if you see the market is consolidating here, after that, if market goes down, then you can trust the breakdown. Means for any breakout or breakdown, look for consolidation. Okay, it is an you can say kind of a confirmation for breakout or breakdown. Without consolidation, okay, it is riskier to buy or sell. So here, if market consolidates, then breaks the support, it is a better trade. And if you're looking for an answer in which direction gold is moving, then obviously, okay, we can clearly see the market is sideways, market is choppy. We do not have a clear answer. Usually in a sideways market like this, the best trading strategy is buy at support, sell at resistance. Simple trading strategy. But the problem here is that, okay, the both support and resistance, okay, have been tested couple of times. Okay, and the reliable support is far away. Okay, but the resistance, okay, market has already tested it 3 to 4 times already. Okay, so better be careful. And if gold stays like this, then I believe that I'll soon have to start analyzing other charts as well. Because obviously, okay, the goal is to make money, okay, not to be loyal to a pair or asset that doesn't move much, okay, isn't it?